Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. Oasis, legendary Oasis. They have always a place here on Growing Guitar. And this time we're going to highlight the song called The Shock of the Lightning. I don't think this is a new song, actually an old song, but I think they have a new visualizer here. So yes, they bring life into this great, cool song from Oasis. Let's go into this. And if you want to match up with the sound, you need a capo set on the 2nd fret. If you don't have any capo, and you don't care if you want to play exactly the same sound but the exact same song, you can just skip the capo. Oh, sorry, I hit my mic there. Anyway, then you can use the same chords without this little mechanism here and setup. So just follow the chords, that will be right as well. Now let's go into the chords we need for this song, and I think we have 6 chords only. Could that be correct? I think so, yes. Let's look at it and see how far we're gonna come with the 6 chords. Now let's start with the A. We're gonna use open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. You can do it in this way with these fingers, index, mid, and 3rd fret, your ring finger. Sorry, 2nd fret ring finger. So it's very close like this. You can use these fingers, you usually do that, but for this specific song you can actually win something to use these fingers, the mid, ring, a little pinky in this way. Why? Because the next chord you're going to alternate with is A minor. Okay, so you see here how easy that will be to just switch between A and A minor. You don't have to recuperate like this. Okay, so it's up to you which finger you're using, but you're gonna work a lot with A and A minor. So A minor goes open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Okay, so these 2 chords, A and A minor, you need them. Then we're gonna move on with this F chord, which is a bar chord. So you place the index finger on the 1st fret, you push down all strings there, and then you need to add 3rd A, 3rd D, and 2nd G. And while we're with the F, we're gonna go into the next. This is the F sharp minor. So you move the grip 1 fret inwards into your body like this. So you land now with the index finger on the 2nd fret, push down all strings there. Then you need to add 4th A and 4th D. And this is the F sharp minor. We also got the G chord. That will be 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. And finally, I believe so, we have the D. Okay, and that will be open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. Alright, so there we have the chords. Now let's go into the strumming. Grab that A. I'm going to use this mid ring and a little pinky grip. And one string around will be about 4 downs like this. Okay, I play on the bass strings for all these downs except from the 3rd down. I go down to get the higher strings down there. So bass, bass, top, bass. That is 1 string around like this. A couple rounds. Okay, so there you have it. Let's start with the first verse. You're gonna play A, 2 string rounds, then A minor, 2 string rounds. You're gonna play that for 3 rounds in total. So A2, A minor 2, A2, A minor 2, A2, A minor 2. And the 4th round, you're gonna play F2 and G2. Okay, then you repeat all that. Okay, so the 4 rounds in total, you're gonna play for 2 rounds. And after that, you finish off with A8. Okay, so 1 round of the main thing here is going A2, A minor 2, A2, A minor 2, A2, A minor 2, then F2, G2. Then you repeat that all again. So A2, A minor 2, A2, A minor 2, A2, A minor 2, then F2, G2, and then you finish off with A8. Okay, that is the first verse. And yeah, I don't think we have to play through all that. I played and showed you how to do that in the introduction tutorial. Takes a while, so we're just gonna jump right into the chorus. It starts about 1 minute and 9 seconds in. Love is a time machine. That's where on the lyrics. Yes, so you're just gonna continue this strumming. And here I'm actually gonna play for you so you understand what's going on. We are gonna play just at least a little bit in this tutorial. So I think the best way here is to actually play me while I'm speaking, because it's that simple to just follow. Many chords goes flybys here in this course. We're just gonna work with the same strumming pattern, just gonna mention the chord and amount of rounds of strumming you're gonna play. So let's start with F sharp 2, F2, F sharp 2, D2, A2, D2, F2, D2, again, F2, D2, then A2, D2, A2, D2, and A2, D2, F2, G2, and A8. That is the longest course I ever played. Not maybe, but anyway, a long one. There you have the course play. And then you just go back and play the second verse, and you're gonna play exactly in the same way as the first one, no changes there. And the second chorus again played exactly in the same way. After that second chorus comes a bridge part. We now reach the 2 minute and 55-second mark. What you're gonna play here is to stay with that A2 and A minor 2 and alternate that for 12 rounds. So understand, we're gonna work a lot with A and A minor. That's the reason we're having this technique with the fingers, okay? That's what I'm using for this specific song. So A2, A minor 2, 12 rounds. And then you go into the third and last chorus. You're gonna play exactly the same, but you're just gonna skip that last A8 rounds. You're just gonna play all the way through to the very last chord, and you just skip that A8, and instead you go into the outro and play A2, D2 for 8 rounds. And then after you play that 8 rounds, you're just gonna end on 1 down on that beautiful A. And that is the last thing you hear from Oasis in this specific song called The Shock of the Lightning. So a cool song, very straightforward, very Oasis-ish, if that makes sense. So if you like them, this tutorial and my help to you, if that was what you needed, then give me a like on this one. I appreciate that a lot. So thank you for being here. Hope to see you soon. Till next time, play tuned.